Hi, I'm Brad Kuvin, editorial director of MetalForming magazine at the Precision Metal Forming Association. I'm here in Chicago at FABTECH. This is our Four on the Floor segment at FABTECH with Skyhook. I'm joined by Thomas Christensen with Skyhook. Thomas?
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you so much for joining us. Yeah, we're going to talk a little bit about your technology and products and what you're seeing in the market that's kind of impacting what you're, the way you're developing your solutions for the industry. So why don't we start by just telling us what the attendees of FABTECH are seeing at your booth this year in terms of new products, new features.
Yeah, absolutely. We focus primarily on lightweight lifting with 500 pounds or less, and then they're fully customizable. Something that we're focused on this year and the new product that the attendees are seeing is our stronger focus on a longer reach model that is specifically used for CNC loading and unloading. So while we have a lot of customers that are doing fabrication and welding, the CNC application has been a big blow up for us. It allows people to do that quick changeover, shorten those turnover times, which has been excellent for us.
Excellent. And the attendees have shown a lot of interest in the product.
Oh, absolutely.
Every time I walk by, there's a bunch of people.
Yeah, we actually came to this show. We knew it was a fabrication show, so we brought a weld table card and a weld table mounted unit.
Okay.
Honestly, everybody coming by is extremely interested in this model and that model. Even though we have a whole plethora of options, I feel like we nailed it, so I feel really good about that.
Excellent. That's good to hear.
I love it.
So talk then about what you're seeing in the market when you talk to customers, when you meet with people at FABTECH, about the kind of the market forces or that they're facing, the challenges in their shop, and how that has impacted the development of this product, maybe with some of the features.
Yeah, absolutely. Market forces are, they're personal when it comes to our customers. It'll be, if it's budgetary, they need lighter solutions, they need more affordable solutions, and they need them throughout the shop. So now you're looking at a kind of economical strain for the customer, but you're also looking at situations where they have employee constraints or injuries or that type of thing happening. Okay. And the Skyhook is a great solution for that. But because we focus on 500 pounds or less, that is exactly where the customer or that operator is choosing to do the lift themselves, and they shouldn't be. So what we're hearing from the attendees is, well, the overhead crane is available, but they're not going to use it because they don't want to.
Yeah.
Right. Now, when you have a Skyhook right next to your machine, you're going to use it. It's a piece of cake to use. You're not going to make that bad decision. So
I see.
Yeah.
Excellent. Okay. And then, so I guess the last question is, what do you want our audience to know about Skyhook's history and your involvement in the metal fabricating industry and what kind of expertise you can bring?
Yeah, 100%. In fact, I'm fourth generation owner. My great-grandfather invented the first unit back in 1969. So it was designed to lift the chuck on and off of a lathe in the manual machining industry.
Okay.
So we started a long time ago. We've refined it over the years based on what the customers are asking for. And these days, the customer has very unique, specific applications. So we are rapidly designing new application, lifts for them, specific to them. So that's what we've become really good at. And we want our customers to know that if they have a unique lift, we can solve it, for sure.
Awesome. Okay, Thomas, thank you so much for joining us.
No, I appreciate it.
Really nice to see you.
Thank you so much.